Happy Friday everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market doesn't look good. Both SPY and QQQ gapping down. But it's holding up and we may have to wait to see how the markets react. But going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon and Tesla. All of them trading below yesterday's closing price. So the pre-market lows would be a key level. And if it continues to flush, I'll be looking to short the pops. If not, I'll wait to see how the stocks react to pre-market highs. But we do have around 3 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching Tesla and Amazon. Not in a hurry here. Right now, no setups, so no trades. Watching Tesla. Tesla, I do have two levels. First one over here and second one over here. Not chasing it right now. I'll wait. And get it at 7. Bummer there. 670, I'm in. 10 contracts. I think I got in a bit early, but that's fine. My second ad would be around 1048. No, I should have taken some out at 670, but I'll wait. These upper wicks giving me confidence to stay in the position. 705. Yep, out. I got in a little early. That was the problem there, but I stick to my plan. I did not add as it broke this level because I did not want to build up my position until I get the confirmation. I was planning for my second add around this area, which did not happen. And in 5 contracts, I just got 5 cent profit. I got in at 670, sold 5 at 675, and the other one I think I got 35 cent profit. I'll take it. Now it's going, but that's completely fine. On the trade, making close to around $200. No reasons to complain. I stayed in this trade. I did not panic because I was seeing these upper wicks. Watching Tesla for a second trade. Tesla making new lows. Definitely I'm feeling a bit FOMO here because I was planning an entry over here, but now I think it's getting strong. Not a great setup, so I think I should stay away. So now I think it's difficult to trade because this low wick suggests a reversal. Maybe it's a good time to call it a day. Overall, an okay day of trading, making $200 in an hour of trading. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.